Read my story and find out how I met a monster in England, which paved the way for me to sing with the angels in Tasmania.
My uncommon story, unique and true, describes opening to transformation in Tibet in the company of masters with profound dedication to their sacred ways of being present, to impermanence.
Read my story to find out how God transformed me into a performing pianist at the age of 73, despite my not having been able to play the piano at all for 58 years, and learn how this music heals us.
Did you know you can use sound to transcend the physical body? Read my story to find out how I use Tibetan singing bowls and tuning forks to transcend into the astral plane.